Okay, so the long ones go underneath the end ones.
As far as I can tell, yes. But, you got your quilt out? We'll try your quilt, then we'll put the batting and all that stuff on. But we gotta get the frame set up. We should have this there, shouldn't we? Shouldn't we have this to pin it, right?
Well,
Because we gotta pin this in on the side, right?
it's going to have to be pinned to other sides, yeah.
Yeah, but how much, I mean...
I wouldn't say we would put it over, because then it's hard to turn it, right, with it over the edge of that.
Let me think. Because we gotta put the batting and we gotta put the sheet underneath, and this has gotta be pinned on, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe right there.
So what are we doing? Leaving a couple inches? An inch or so? On the end?
No, I don't think so. I think... Oh, God, I don't know, Jerry. Where's my mother? I think we have to bring it up to the edge, at least.
Okay.